welcome to all you wonderful people present here. I am Rupali Suri, your host, your companion. The show is wonderful.
Of course, like,
And may I say a
oh
very
God.
joyful
Okay,
evening with you. This
yeah, chalega.
beautiful event is in the honor
Well, as
of-
we all know, it's an exhibition and we have a lot of people collaborating, coming with different designs in terms of jewelry, clothes, everything. So this is my most beautiful designer and my very good friend, Rippy Sethi. If you go on my social site, you will be seeing all the pictures I keep wearing her, and I've been getting crazy compliments from the time I started wearing her, and people are like, oh my god, what sexy gowns you wear, what sexy gowns you wear. I was like, it's Rippy. I think she's one of the...
She carries my gown the best. She
in the luxury space.
has that body language and the way she styles it, the personal touch she gives to it. I mean, I don't think anybody does it better than her.
I think that's very sweet of her, but I think she makes such good clothes, which, like, I'm not a thin girl, you know, I'm a full girl. And generally when you see such clothes, it's all about thin girls. And when I see I fit into it, I'm like, boss, you're making some amazing stuff, because, you know, everybody doesn't have a body like that. Generally people are like me, you know, they're like little healthy. So I think she makes me look amazing. She has different kind of clothes, which you can wear for your red carpet, you can wear for your casual events. She has all kind of variety, and that's the best thing. She is definitely one of the most finest designers I have been working with, and I'm sure she's going to be doing great in
She'll
future.
always be my favorite. And one thing I disagree, you're not fat. She is a proper UK 8. Trust me, the outfit coming from the dummy fits her like a glove. So she's mistaken. She's a proper UK 8 size. Not even one alteration, so you're not fat. You're fit. You're actual dummy size.
One more time, can we just give it up for Joya?
ऑनेस्टली डिसाइड करना रिपी के क्लोथ्स में से, मैं कहती हूँ ना, जब मैं जाती हूँ रिपी के पास अगर अपने कोई इवेंट के लिए कपड़े ले, मुझे लगता है मैं कौन सा पहनूँ. एंड वेन एवर आई वेयर पीपल आर लाइक, ओ माई गॉड व्हाट अ गाउन. मैंने कहा यार सब पे सेम ही रिएक्शन देते हैं, किसी पे तो थोड़ा कम दो, किसी पे थोड़ा समझ में ही नहीं आता है. सो आई थिंक वेन एवर आई वेयर हर एंड द पिक्चर्स गो आउट, I do a lot of photo shoots with her clothes, and I think everybody just says, people tell me, you should keep wearing Rippy, she makes amazing stuff for you. So I think that's the best compliment, because as an actor, to just keep wearing one designer every time, it's a very big thing, I believe. Because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि इंसान बोलता है कि यार मैं बोर हो गई हूँ अब इससे, you know, सुंदर कपड़े हैं बट घड़ी घड़ी सेम, बट रिपी के कपड़ों में इतनी वैरायटी होती है कि आप हर इवेंट पे पहनो लेकिन आप अलग लगते हो. So I think that is very important, that people, when I wear any of her designs and I walk, people definitely give me a second look. And there has never been an event where people have not asked me who I'm wearing. I'm talking about big actresses also who have asked me who am I wearing, and I feel I never ask them who are you wearing. But I think that's one of the biggest compliment for the designer, where you walk in and people who are more senior and more, you know, they ask you what are you wearing. I think that's the biggest compliment.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I do for many of them, but for her, she is like family to me. So it's like dressing my younger sister. You know? She's like my baby. मरते दम तक मनाऊंगी इसके लिए. वो पहनेगी ना, तो पहनाऊंगी.
रिपी कपड़े दो, तुम नहीं हो कपड़े दो.
कंटिन्यू टू दिल से कपड़े पहनाती हूँ उसको मैं.
No, she's very, I'll tell you,
more than that, she's a very good person.
even though if I wear her clothes, this lady was traveling, she was having a holiday in London, but still she used to keep coordinating and get my clothes sorted. And I think that's a very good relationship that you have with your designer, and that is when you feel very special. You feel that, you know, she's not just a lady who's giving her clothes to me, you know, you can see that love. And when you see that love, I think that's the best thing. An actor or a person, forget an actor, a person feels very connected and wanted by the person. So I think Rippy always makes me feel very wanted. ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे उसकी नहीं, उससे मेरी ज़रूरत है. पता ही नहीं चलता यहाँ पे ज़रूरत किसको किसकी है.
So you know, it's like I like when she wears, she dresses. खुशी मिलती है कि वो सुंदर लग रही है. That's my idea.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, she understands what I like.
I dress people just, I feel nice, they're looking good.
Yeah.
That's it. So that I look.
Well, it's indeed heartwarming to see
जी.
how
हाँ जी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy कर रही हूँ. मैं
Yeah, I can see her Snapchat. She's always enjoying.
I am like पता है मेरा सेट के लोग बोलते हैं यार ये इतना कैसे बात करती है। मेरा कैमरामैन है प्रकाश कुट्टी सर, ओके, हम जब पहले नए नए सेट पे गए थे, ही नेवर यूज्ड टू टॉक, सडनली इज टॉकिंग सो मच। एंड मुझे शर्मन अभी यही स्केड्यूल में बोलता है, सना आई हैव टू टेल यू वन थिंग, प्रकाश सर बात ही नहीं करते पर तुमसे कितनी बात करते। मैंने कहा पहले ये मुझसे भी नहीं करते थे, मेरे साथ जो भी रहता है वो 10 दिन के बाद मुझसे बहुत बात करता है। सो आई थिंक बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट अ फिल्म इज माई डायरेक्टर विशाल। आई थिंक मैं जो एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ गई थी वजह तुम हो में कि नहीं अच्छी बनेगी ये, इट्स गॉन अबव दैट। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू whoever is going to go on 2nd December to watch the film, they are going to be like what a film, it's a thriller and people are going to love the thriller। उनको एंड तक पता नहीं चलेगा कि किसने क्या किया है, and eventually it's not something that you can assume कि अभी ये होगा अभी वो होगा। You are going to be like कौन है culprit, किसने किया है। So I think that's the best part when you do a film, and I think I'm very excited for 2nd December। जी कस्टमर कंटेस्टेंट, यस।
तो हमें सुनने में आ रहा है कि इस बार बिग बॉस में सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ कॉमन पीपल भी जाने वाले हैं।
हाँ जी।
आपको क्या टेक है?
आई थिंक इट्स वेरी नाइस यार, इट्स अ वेरी, आई ऑलवेज टेल मेरे जितने भी दोस्त टीवी के होते हैं, अगर वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि हमें बिग बॉस का कॉल आया, मैं कहती हूँ पहली फुर्सत में चले जाओ, बिकॉज यू नो ये डिपेंड आपका नेचर कैसा है। अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग हो स्वीट हो, वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है अंदर आप किस चीज़ पे कैसे एक्शन लेते हो। बट आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर पीपल टू प्रूव देम सेल्फ, to show them, and there are a lot of people watching them, और आपको कब कहाँ से काम मिलता है you never know, but Big Boss definitely makes you very famous, and I think अगर आपको वो opportunity मिलती है तो उसको use करो।
After this, I request the very sassy Sarah Jane Dias to join us, and she is wearing a lovely outfit created by Kara Creations. I think we don't have anybody representing from Kara Creations, but I'm sure you will see a lot of their stuff and creation at the exhibition. After this, ladies and gentlemen, I invite the very beautiful Sana Khan, who is being dressed by R.S. Rippy Sethi. Sana Khan. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, after this, we have the very melodious Kani. Yes, this is the diva herself, Kanika Kapoor, who's styled by the very talented young Agrima Batra. Well, that's what the lineup looks like. Yes, the photo opportunity time. And along with them, I also request our participants who are also here present. I request Kunal Rahul, Anjali from the famous duo Anjali and Arjun Kapoor. If they are here, please join us and dance with us. We have Kunal Rahul, Anjali from the duo, famous duo Anjali and Arjun. Well, let me also tell you that the beautiful garment that I am wearing today is designed by Sonia Goyal, and of course you can see her stuff at the exhibition. So please make sure that you guys are there to witness the entire creativity at the best.
That will go a little compact.
Along with us, we have also the leading brand of fine jewelry who are also exhibiting at Joy this year. I request Mrs. Deepa Notan Das, Miss Rings of standing in your way. Okay, Krishika Lula, of course, is owning a very beautiful creation by Jet Gems. There you go, and you can just join us.
So we can't get all of them together. Make it a different format.
I would just like to add a little dash to and information to this entire event. Well, there is a stone which is which is left unturned to make certain that Joya is like no other show. The experience at Joya with seamless integration of shopping, celebration, casual dining, interactive Alaya, Faraz Manan, Ashima Dina, Sangeeta Kilachan, Alpine Rima, Kunal Raval, Sahib Kochar, and of course Madras next brand we have Sheena Creation and lot of them. Time with them. Make sure that you guys are there on 17th
Agrima.
and 18th of August 2016. This is where the luxury, this is where the style, this is
designer.
where luxury and lifestyle exhibition. Make sure you guys are there. Thank you so much. Make sure that you drive back safe.
Thank you.
Good night,
I'm most
Shabbat.
excited to, to be like one of the faces of Joya, and the Moranis are like family to me. And again, the Moranis are like family to me, and I'm so happy to be here. And thank you so much, Agrima, for
You look
putting this
stunning
together
in
for me.
this.
It's lovely.
Okay, so
Where are you from?
So I'm from Bombay. I just launched my label at Lakme this season. So I was the youngest designer. I'm only 22, which is why I'm super excited to see your daughter in it as well. And I studied in New York at Parsons. So I thought Kanika would be the perfect muse for me because she's so fashionable herself. And she's doing an amazing job at like rocking my gown. As you can see, she's looking like absolutely stunning. And I think moreover, it's just her inner beauty that shines through. So I'm really happy that she's here in my outfit.
Sweet. Thank you.
What is the first reaction when the designer approached you? That 22 years old, What is the first reaction when she approaches you? How beautiful,
we with God's grace, because of my work right now, I get approached by a lot of people, but I don't like to wear everybody, so I'm very picky, and I like to choose what I wear. And when she sent me her things and I saw her lookbook, I told the organizing committee that I'd love to meet her personally, and I'd love to wear, and I'd love for her to design something for me. So
Okay, Kanika, what happened to you? What's there in the pipeline?
oh my God, I think I've given you too many songs the last 2 months, guys. Come on, you've been dancing.
I still can't get over Chittiya Kalaiya. So
Well, I don't know if you know, the last 2 months we've had an Akhiyan from Do Lafzon Ki Kahani, a Hug Me from Beiman Love with Sunny. We've had Dada Dasse in Urta Punjab. We've had Beat Pe Booty, which is my recent one. It's just come out 3 days ago with Jacqueline and
Just cover the event.
And I think everybody's absolutely loving Love Letter from the legend of Michael Mishra. And there's lots more happening. I think I have a lot of independent music coming, a lot of great collaborations. So watch the space. There's a lot of music coming up. This is just the start. Abhi to party shuru hui hai.
Whether it is audio or the critic, they all love your music, all love your voice. Tell me, do you feel nervous or कहीं डर लगता है इतनी सारी सक्सेस, इतनी कामयाबी और इतनी जल्दी?
Actually, मैं जब लोगों को बताती हूँ कि मेरा करियर, मैं बॉम्बे में 18 महीने से हूँ, एंड वो भी इन एंड आउट, तो उनको लगता है ओ माय गॉड दिस इज़ लाइक क्विक, एकदम से सब कुछ हुआ है. बट नहीं, एकदम से नहीं हुआ है. मैं जब 8 साल की थी तब से मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट. सो आई थिंक आई हैव वर्कड for 25 years to be where I am today, and a lot of hard work and a lot of compromise. But अब मैं आप लोग सबको नचाती तो हूँ, बट अब मैं थोड़े डिफरेंट गाने कर रही हूँ, डिफरेंट गाने भी कर रही हूँ जो मेरे टेस्ट के गाने हैं, जो मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ लोगों को.
Okay, second last I would say, you are such a beautiful female, you're such a gorgeous lady. बहुत लोगों ने, मेल सिंगर की बात करूँ, सबने एक्टिंग में कहीं ना कहीं एक बार हाथ आजमाया है, चाहे वो हर किसी एक्टर ने मेल सिंगर की बात करें. आप एक्टिंग की तरफ
Well, बहुत सारे ऑफर्स हैं, एंड यू नेवर नो. एक्चुअली मैं अगर मैं एक्टिंग में कभी भी जाऊंगी तो एक पर्टिकुलर मैसेज होगी मेरे तरफ से, अगर मैं जाती हूँ और मेरा पहला रोल. सो I don't want to do anything just कि desperately मैं actress बन जाऊँ, because I'm very quite committed to everything I do. So, you know, I'm singing right now, and there's a long way to go in that. अभी तो मैं आई हूँ.
ओके, आरडी बर्मन पे लेजेंड पे
जी.
बायोपिक बनने की बात चल रही है, और देयर आर आल्सो न्यूज़ आमिर खान will be chosen to play आरडी बर्मन and प्रियंका चोपड़ा to play आशा भोसले. What's your view on that?
Wow, that will be very, very exciting. I think they're two of my favorite actors in this industry, and I think it'll be great for Priyanka Chopra to become Asha Bhosle.
ओके, आरडी बर्मन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, और कितना ज़रूरी है उनके बायोपिक बनना?
Well, R.D. Burman, मैं लखनऊ में पली बड़ी हूँ, एंड छोटे से R.D. Burman जी के मैं गाने सुनते आ रही हूँ, एंड आई रिमेंबर सारी मेमोरीज़. हम जब नैनीताल जाते थे, मसूरी जाते थे, हिल स्टेशन पे जाते थे, तो सिर्फ उन्हीं के गाने बजते थे. सो ऑफ कोर्स वो हमारे साथ आज भी हैं और हमेशा रहेंगे, एंड आई विश कि मैं भी इस तरीके के क्वालिटी के गाने गा पाऊँ एक दिन.
Sana, look somewhere here.
Okay.
Tell us, Sana, your association with this entire initiative that is happening.
Of course, I think my major association is with the designer who I'm wearing today. That's Ripi Sethi. She is not just a designer, of course, she's my very close friend, and I always feel honored, I feel happy. There's so much of joy when I wear her clothes, because I think her clothes do full justice to the kind of dressing I like to do. I am a very over the top kind of a person. I like wearing gowns, I like wearing heavy stuff, I like wearing trails. Obviously when I'm going for a red carpet or an event, not for any casual events, but I think she makes amazing stuff, and if probably you see me on my social sites, you'll see me wearing only Ripi. So I think she is very, very close to me, not just because of how good of a designer she is, but also that she understands me. She knows the kind of dresses that I like. So at times, even if I'm not there, and if I just tell her, okay, you know, I need your outfit for tomorrow, she just knows, and whatever she sends me, I just love it. So I think वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक एक्टर और एक डिज़ाइनर के बीच में, कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और मुझ पर क्या सूट होगा. So I think that's the relation we have.
What fashion means to you?
Fashion means everything to me. I love fashion, but I'm not that kind of a fashion person who goes crazy कि अब ये fashion, अब ये तो करना ही है. As long as I'm someone, I only do things and I dress up in a way only if I like it and only if it suits me. So there are a lot of things that comes in fashion which doesn't look good on me, so I never try them.
The dress which you're wearing will also remind us of Srikanth.
So true. You just said it. I actually had a gold clutch also, and I was like, नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा retro हो जाएगा ये. So I think I avoided the clutch, and also the reason is because the gown is so heavy because of the tassels. मैं gown, you know, मैंने सोचा या तो मैं clutch पकड़ सकती हूँ या तो gown. So I chose holding the gown. So yeah, I think I feel golden dress के साथ सबसे पहली बात है you can never go wrong, you know. And golden dress with dark lips and dark nails, I think they look classy. They look, you look dressed up. And at the same time there is this elegance, you look pretty, you never look like अरे ये क्या पहना है, you know. So and the best thing about gold is वो कोई भी skin complexion के साथ अच्छा लगता है, whether you're a wheatish person, whether you're a fair person, I think it complements all kind of skin tones. So I think gold is always my favorite color.
Okay, if you talk about your upcoming project with Vishal Pandya, you know, then it's already there.
Yes. Well, I can keep going on and on and on and on and on about Vishal Pandya and his project. I think I'm very, very excited that I'm finally doing Wajah Tum Ho, and it's releasing on 2nd of December. 12th October से we'll have the trailers out, so I'm sure बहुत सारे responses आएंगे. It's a thriller, so so you can expect a lot of thrills in the film. Every scene unfolds new mystery, and it's very difficult to decide. कहते हैं ना जब स्पेशली थ्रिलर देखो, अगर आपको पता है इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, that's the most boring film to see. But I'm not just saying because it's my film, but definitely because it's my film, I'm more conscious कि यार ऐसा ना हो कि लोगों को पता चल जाए सीन के बाद क्या है. I think Vishal is expert in thriller. He's been doing thrillers, and I'm very excited कि finally I'm doing a full-fledged film as a proper lead, and there is no other girl in the film, which is very interesting. So I have explored different kind of acting in terms of aggressive hona, in terms of I'm playing a lawyer in the film. I'm playing a very mature character in the film, which I'm not otherwise. I'm a very talkative girl, so you know, बहुत कम बोलना और slow बोलना is मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. But I think we've done a great job. And my director, the very important thing is the director knows what to do on set, you know. ऐसा नहीं अच्छा ये नहीं चलो इससे चला लेते. He's not a चलाओ kind of a director, which is the best thing about Vishal. अगर ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए, and that makes an actor more interested in the project. कि नहीं यार, director is very, you know, very careful about everything. So I think yeah, I'm very very happy. We have some amazing songs in the film. It's T series, of course, so you can never go wrong with songs. So I think yeah, we're going to come with the blockbuster of this year for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Rolling? Well, I've worked with Cineyug and I've worked with the Muranis a number of times on films and shoots and things like that. So I know whatever they do really well. And I was very excited when they told me they're starting a luxury lifestyle event like Joya. I think it's the first time. It's going to be really something done on a good scale. And they have a lot of surprises up their sleeves. So I'm really looking forward to the whole event. Also, I'm a menswear designer, and also even as a guy attending these exhibitions, it becomes very difficult because of the timing. So I'm really excited about the night shopping. You know, they've got shopping till about 12 o'clock, till about a little later. So that's something I'm very excited about.
आपको कोई ऐसा डिफिकल्ट ट्रेंड है जो बनाने में बहुत नर्वस या फिर आपने मतलब सेलेक्ट के लिए बनाया था और बहुत नर्वस थे वो बना नहीं पाए या फिर उस बारे में क्या?
नर्वसनेस तो मतलब नर्वसनेस के दिन गए अभी, पर हर पीस अभी कर रहे हो वो थोड़ा वो बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक वाइब तो रहता ही है. बट द आइडिया इज़ फैशन में क्या होता है, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट. तो अगर तुम रिस्क नहीं लोगे तो फिर कुछ नया बनेगा ही नहीं. तो रिस्क में ही मज़ा है, रिस्क लेते रहना चाहिए, तो ही नए चीज़ें बनते रहते हैं. थैंक यू.